Okay, today's public service announcement is on self-image and identity. So why do we as teachers teach it? We need to teach our students how they present themselves online because that is a reflection of who they are as students and as people, and how to control their reaction. Like, some people can be very rude online, and how they react to that can be either harmful to themselves or other people. And that's just something that we need to teach them and understand what that harm can do to someone's life. And who are you online? Some people, so when you get an application or a game, you can put whatever name you want, but that's still who you are as a person. And that might not say your name, but it's still you. And the social media and strangers. Not everyone is who they say they are online, and that can be very harmful to people because they are tricked, and many people have gotten hurt because of that. And one of the resources I provided give identity protection websites, and it's just applications that can help you protect the information on your laptops or phones. And then the last resource I provided just simply says, treat others how you want to be treated. And that goes for online and in person. All right, thank you.